our seas and overfishing. There are at least 1 trillion to 3 trillion fish killed each year for human consumption. That is, excluding the other species that are caught along with it. Bycatch. By the year 2050, there will be no fish in the sea if the world continues the extensive fishing that we're doing. Overfishing is the removal of a species of fish faster than the species can reproduce naturally, which results in the species becoming underpopulated. Overfishing causes pollution and an imbalance in the food chain and the ecosystem. It also damages coral reef. Overfishing is also a cause for vulnerable and endangered species to be captured, which then are either killed, injured, or thrown back, such as sharks, turtles, rays, dolphins, and whales. Can you imagine a world with no fish in it? As crazy as it sounds, it's definitely becoming a reality. By the year 2050, there will be no fish in the sea. 0. A world with no fish in the sea is a world with no humans. The ocean is 80% of our world. Without a healthy ocean, we can no longer have a healthy life. We cannot live without fish. We humans need to correct this, starting with the most overrated fish: shrimp, tuna, and salmon. These fish are extracted faster than they can reproduce, which means the number of fish has gone down, and the prices have gone up. Instead of buying these overeaten fish, buy sustainable seafood instead, such as oysters, clams, mussels, scallops, sardines, anchovies, mackerel, or small fish, any invasive species, such as lionfish, rockfish, catfish, or fish caught by local fishermen, or seaweed. If you really want to eat salmon, shrimp, or tuna, please support local fishermen rather than commercial fishermen. Let our ocean heal. In return, our ocean will be much healthier and cleaner, which also means we too can be healthier and live a better life than one with no fish. For more information, please visit msc.org. They are a non-profit organization called the Marine Stewardship Council, an international non-profit on a mission to end overfishing in the entire world. On their website, you can see what they do, what we do, sustainable food you can buy, a place to donate, or simply learn more about fisheries and how it's impacting the world.